everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Kubota credit card account using your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser and in the address bar at the top, type in www.kubotacreditusa.com and press enter. From the main homepage of Kubota, go to the upper right hand and you'll be able to see a user ID text box. Type in a user ID that is associated with your account. Head over to the password field and type in your password correct. Double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner. This will help you reveal your password. If you're not registered yet for Kubota and you'd like to do so, click on this register now link and follow the instructions. In case you don't remember your password, you can click on this forgot password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. Similarly, if you are having trouble remembering your user ID, click on this forgot user ID link and follow the instructions to look for it. Finally, after typing in all of your information, click on the login button and you'll be logged in to Kubota credit card account in no time. With a credit card account, you can manage your credit card account on the go and also make payments, check out transactions or your statements with the help of a computer or a mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.